Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everybody online. Happy Monday, the 23rd. We're in Edwardsville, Illinois today, doing 5 areas of carpet. And we're gonna reprotect it, do a sectional, and then reprotect that as well. And they're excited. We also have some hardwood floors. We're gonna give them a brochure on, because they have some service scratches in there that we can take care of for them as well. And it's gonna be a good one. A little warm today, but as expected for the Midwest and the summer heat. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, I already cleaned the carpets. It's really hot out here, so I didn't have a chance to video that, but you guys know that process. So I'm sure we're doing. These are the hardwoods I'm talking about. So I did 2 areas of carpet up here. We're gonna do a Scotchgard test. Did these stairs, this landing, this room here. We're gonna do this sectional. I'm gonna start pre-treating it and agitating and then start cleaning it. Already got the stuff set up. And we did this master bedroom here. So that's total 5 areas. You get it clean, nice designer carpet. Get it back to the original state. I told the client, Stephanie, what a beautiful view of the lake. It's nice. We're in Dunlap Lake, in Edwardsville, close to Holiday Shores. That's where we're at today. We're gonna, like I said, clean this right here and protect it with Scotchgard fiber protection. And what that does, I explain to the client, it keeps it cleaner longer. It does. When you spill something, it doesn't bond to it. It actually repels it because it's sealed, right? Whether it be your carpet or your fabric, and then it makes easier cleanup and easier vacuuming. So, and I told the client when it comes new, they bake that on the factory, but over time, because it's flexible, it doesn't wear off. So each time you get the carpets cleaned, every other time rather, you're supposed to protect it and that protects your investment. So that's what we're doing. And I told the client too, always look on the inside of your cushions. A lot of times it'll tell you, like, for example, tip of the day, what's in the material, but not a lot of times what the material is. But a lot of times there's going to be a clean code. So in this case, the clean code right here is a W. That means it could be wet clean. But I still do a test for good measure because I just want to trust that because it can be like a viscose and it can have problems when it gets wet. So, but in this case, they are showing a W. So FYI, tip of the day. All right, guys, let me go ahead and finish up. Get this clean. And another happy client. Stay tuned for testimonial. Nice little putting thing too. That's kind of cool. Neat idea. All right, guys. Hey, let's go. All right, guys. I'm cleaning this upholstery now. I'm going to give you guys some footage. Responding very well. This is a sectional. Making it first and foremost hygienic, and then also clean, where the appearance looks great. If you haven't done so already, give us a follow on Facebook and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. We'll be grateful that you did. Never miss a video of taking care of your upholstery, fine fabrics, textiles, hardwoods, and clean ducts. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up. All right, Facebook, YouTube, everybody online. This couch responded well. You see those water rings are gone. All those spots are gone. Look at that, guys. She came down. She said, looks like new. She can't believe it. And everything turned out well. It was good. Stuff turned out good. And she was very excited. So what we're going to do now is we're going to Scotchgard it, protect it, and another happy client, guys. Stay tuned for a testimonial. And as always, thanks for watching. Hey, yo, let's go. Hey guys, right here, AOCleaning with my client Stephanie in Edwardsville, Illinois. And she's excited to speak about what we did for her today with our company. We took over her upholstery, we protected it, also her carpets, we protected with Scotchgard. And guys, she's excited and she wants to leave me a video testimonial. Without further ado, Stephanie, take it away.
Hey, yeah, no, got all my my carpets in my bedrooms as well as my sectional clean today. They did a really great job. They texted and communicated to me when they were on the way. They showed up on time, and then everything's now spot free and ready to go for my 3 kids.